The RadiusMaster meets the diverse requirements of many manufacturing industries. The innovation of laying on side instantly converts it to a bobbin grinder, providing notching and accurate profiling of edges from square through to 45 degrees. Another unique feature, the convenience of deburring tube, inside and out, all at the one station. The RadiusMaster can go to the cutting source. Deburring can keep pace with any automatic cutting operation, thus eliminating this cost entirely. Sharpening high-speed drills becomes many times faster than a grinding wheel. The far superior finish possible gives improved drilling performance. Firm, accurate tracking makes web thinning so easy. Squaring ends and accurate chamfering greatly improves component quality over conventional deburring methods. Again, perfect tracking stability allows the use of all of the belt. Designed to track belts with the heaviest polyester backing, RadiusMaster's unequal tracking allows notching and finishing into sharp corners without the belt drifting sideways. Tube notching becomes so convenient with the table provided. With 3 diameters and any angle from square to 45 degrees, all set up in seconds. Profiling tool inserts reduced from hours to only a few minutes. Micro-finishing external radii much finer than a profiled grinding wheel. The advantage of fast, user-friendly belt changes and micro-finishing with polishing on precision ground polyurethane wheels have proven more than 5 times faster than conventional finishing procedures. RadiusMaster's unmatched versatility and performance, maintained through its superior design, which includes vital adjustments and seals, providing a life expectancy of more than 20 years. A 2-year commercial warranty applies. RadiusMaster comes complete with a place for its attachments, saving time and frustration.